guess what? Hey YouTube, it's TheRealJDoll here on TheRealJDoll's channel. Welcome to a weekly vlog. It's Amazon Prime week. I just made some chicken. I'm about to do some housework. So, you know, I feel like we got a couple things to record. It's Monday night and I made baked chicken. It smells so good, y'all. Like, what? And would you believe me if I told you I only used one seasoning for this? Of course, I have like my veggies and you know that adds some flavor. But y'all, the seasoning that I used is from Rockstar Blends or Rockstar Kitchen. It is called the Exotic Citrus Seasoning, this ground surfer, and y'all, it smells so good. Rockstar Kitchen sent me 4 seasonings. So we have this one, which is Base Player Spice Honey Maple Seasoning. We have this one, which is called the Keys, which is a Salt Pepper Ranch Seasoning. And then for this last one, it's a dry ranch seasoning. They sent it over for me to review and do a video over. So I created a reel that's gonna be on Instagram pretty soon. By the time you're watching it, it's probably already gonna be up. Cover this up for now. Already washed the dishes, doody-doody-doo. I was running around doing so many errands today. I put air in my tire, y'all, for the second time in like 3 weeks. Actually, let me get the tri-peasy. Went and put more air into my tire, picked up my photos from Walgreens, and put my cart together for Amazon Prime week because that is tomorrow. I went to Kroger's and bought some groceries. Like, I cleaned, I already showered. Your girl has just been knocking things off the to-do list. I have not like actually really decorated my house in about a year now. I feel like I've just been going with the motions and it's really time to like crack down and get this house decorated and together. I got these frames, a pack of 9 frames from Amazon, 14 by 11, and then the pictures to go inside are going to be 8 by 10. I ordered them online on Walgreens.com, and for 9 8 by 10 photos, they were like $34. That's got to be a crime. But one thing about me, I'm gonna look for a coupon. Before I check out of any cart online, I'm gonna go into Google and type in Walgreens photo coupons, and I'm gonna get a deal. So I used the coupon and it took my total down to $11. I said that's much better. And it's just gonna be 9 photos, 3 by 3 on the wall. And I have a pretty big wall, so I wanted to make sure my things were big enough. So I just have pictures of like me and my family. Like, look, there's me and my dad. Ah! And then here's me and my mom. These are Christmas pictures that we took. And then I have me and my brothers. Boo-doo-be-doo. Me and the girls. Yeah, when we were in Houston. If you haven't seen the Houston vlog, make sure you go watch it. My sister, my best friend. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in frames. But tonight, I'm not gonna hang them up. Like, it's already 9:30. So I just wanna start putting these in frames. All right, there's a little light team. Oh, wow, this is my favorite little brother ever. Okay, so that's 1 down, y'all. A whole lot more to go, so let's go ahead and time lapse this. fly. My one and only. Yeah. Hey Siri, stop the music. Hey y'all. We are a few days later into this. Hold on, let me get right first before I make y'all busy. Okay, so it's a few days later from when y'all seen that last clip, and we have our pictures almost all the way on the wall. So I have 2 rows done out of 3, and y'all, to get them to be this symmetrical took some work. So your girl had to draw out the wall, put the dimensions. You see what I'm saying? We had to do this the right way, or else the pictures were gonna look a mess. So this right here took all of me. It really didn't take all of me, honestly, but it was just like a task. You know how it's tasks that you know you have to do, but you don't want to do it? This was that. All right, we're about to hang the last couple ones up. Now, the reason I didn't finish the other day was because, take you over here. When I tried to put the nail in the wall, and you can see this one, it's sticking out. It wouldn't go in any further. Same for this hole, and then I didn't even try this one. So this was the first one I did. And when I did it, I was like, I guess it's a board behind the wall, because of course, you know, to support the walls, they have boards going this way and sometimes boards going this way. But when I did this, I was thinking, what if the board is going this way? Even though there are pictures above, like what if the board was like from here down? So I didn't know, so I tried on another one, and it's clearly a board going across like that, which I should have just automatically assumed, but whatever. So I went to Home Depot today to get new nails because okay, apparently the nails that I had weren't the correct ones. And I just found out that hanging nails, like nails that are in the bag, they're only like $1 something for a pack of nails. And I got 10, and this one came with 8. So my dad told me to get wood screws. I got wood screws so I could actually drill into the plank that's going behind. And then I also have sheet metal screws as well, just because these are sharper and they're supposed to go through sheet metal. But like, what if that's a thick piece of wood right there, you know? So I just didn't want to be mad and have to go back to the store, finish this another day. I want this done now. So, Jay the Builder, can she build it? Jay the Builder, yes she can. All right, y'all. And let me tell you guys a trick, just in case you don't know, because my dad taught me this. So when this nail was hanging in the wall, he told me to get a piece of tape and wrap the tape around the nail, so that way I knew how far the nail was inside of the wall, so I knew how big of a nail I needed to get when I went to the store. Because clearly I don't need a big long daddy like that one. I just need something short, going a little bit and just a little bit hanging off, so that way I can hang my picture. Whew. Okay, let's go ahead and drill this in the wall. Let's go ahead and put this in the wall. Okay. Oh, that's the wrong way. Ooh. That went in so easy. It is there, but it's just like a little smaller. Maybe this is too big. I'm trying to think logically about this before I call my dad. I'll be wanting to call him immediately every time. I've got to be grown. Like what? What? I feel like I'm Gucci Man in 2006. All right, let's put it on a nail. Dang. This is too big. All right, hold on. Because I did get 2 sets of nails. Maybe. Okay. Well, the sheet metal screws are a little smaller, but they have a, you know what? Before I even take that one out the wall. Okay, I'm talking and not even explaining to y'all what I'm doing. Sorry, team, but what I'm thinking is that since this head is a little less round and as obvious as the other one, let's test and see first if it fits on my picture before I take this other nail out the wall. My dad also told me yesterday that if you put a toothpick in the hole with it, if you put a toothpick in the wall, yes, it's holding. All right, so I'm going to lefty loosey this bad boy out the wall. Okay. Righty tighty this steel one into the wall. Oh shoot. Okay. All right, I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, other way. Righty tighty, people. All right. So, one more. And that's a wrap for this project. Okay, guys, it is the next day. Guess what I got in the mail? And I have a pair of Dunks, but they're too small, and I got them knowing they were too small, and I thought that I could do it, but I couldn't. Like, it hurts my feet every time I wear them. So I'm about to sell them, but I want to get a new pair. So I got these. They are the Plum Eclipse Dunks, and then they have this lace. They have like this purple-ish plum. They have this plum lace, and then they also have like a cream lace as well. So I don't know which one I'm gonna go with yet, but I wanted to come out here and get some content while the sun is good. You know, I got a nice little background, trees, like it's really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and record a couple videos to try and post on TikTok of these shoes really quick so I can have something to post today, because you know we got to keep the TikTok coming. Y'all, my TikTok is growing, like growing. Let's look at it. Last month I had 300 followers. This month I have 1,600 followers. So if we keep it up, if we keep the good content rolling, we're gonna keep growing. My latest video, Mo got me feeling Dutch. So hush. Look at us.
They're Italian. They are. They're made in Italy.
Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap.
4 and 6. 1 McGee, number 5 Janae Hicks.
I'm weak.
Jariah White.
I'm about to make some chicken.
3 in Canada.
And I was like, you know what? I haven't watched my basketball game in a long time because a couple of our basketball games were online when I was in high school. Y'all, look at me. What? Woo, girl. What was that little? I'm weak. I'm weak. I made this before, and I always save my recipes out here. Go right here. Hold on, they just said my name. I'm watching this like this the first time I watched this. Hold on.
Leading scores for each team.
Leading scores.
Close second is Jariah White at 14.8. And then on the other side, Went Woods led by Tamara Overson at 12 once again, and Jalen Hill at 7.4. Tipping things off.
Not the leading scorer. That's funny. 7 points a game.
Anisha Brewer, her tips it back to.
I feel like it was higher than that when I finished. I don't know if this was my senior year or what. Y'all didn't know I used to play sports? What?
With the right hand, we got
Paprika, Italian seasoning, Montreal chicken, onion powder, and garlic salt. finished dinner. Guess what? We are on our way to go to see I'll Be Sure. I straightened my hair just a little bit. I have these glasses on that I got from Shein. I have this jumpsuit on, also from Shein. It's super cute. And I don't see too many people wear colored jumpsuits. I think they forgot that was a thing, so your girl is bringing it back out. Have my Apple Watch on, so it's definitely giving AKA apple green and salmon pink. A little eye makeup, nothing too crazy though, cause bring out the natural, but you knew that. Person shoes over by the door, but we're about to go and have a good time. So that's day and night. They have vendors out here, they have food trucks. They got like a little coffee shop right here.
Sit down. Yeah, she's killing it.
Festival, we're VIP. See the rich band. Yeah.
Y'all ready for Al?
Whoa, sweet thing.
Down, it's your man DJ Duck. I done came all the way from Las Vegas because my brother said we're gonna turn out Cincinnati first. So my man already asked you one time. I need it one more time. If you got God in your life and you celebrate life, I need you to make some noise for I'll Be Sure.
I see y'all out there. Y'all looking beautiful.
Is that him?
Are y'all ready for some I'll Be Sure? Say yeah!
Oh, that was the sun.
I'll be.
Cincinnati, make some
He don't need that.
Everybody now, just wave your lights. Just wave.